Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. Today we are replacing the upper radiator hose in a 1999 Ford F150 with the 4.6. But before we get into that, you know the routine. Please go ahead, hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up. All that stuff is super helpful, and it's very greatly appreciated. Now, let's get on to the project. As you can see, I've got the truck here behind me, and this is the one we did the thermostat replacement in, and when we did so, we had a pinhole in the hose right in this region here, so we're gonna be just replacing that because, well, we don't need a big mess. So first step, we're gonna remove this air cleaner tube and set it off to the side and get going. There's the hole, and you can actually see some of the liner, that cloth string style reinforcement sticking out, so that's causing a bit of an issue. We're going to go ahead and swap this out real quick. Off. And it's not coming in real good, but see, there's the hole. So what we're going to do is reuse these clamps on the new one. Okay, so the hose is on, clamped down all nice and tight, directed the right way, everything is right and tight. We're going to go ahead and put the air box back on, put the cover on, and this project is done. Okay, so we've got that done. We've got that topped off. And I just wanted to take a quick second to explain to some of you the 50-50 pre-diluted antifreeze versus concentrate. If you can, and you don't need it in a pinch, if you're not broken down on the side of the road or something and you need it, that would be the only time to use the 50-50. Otherwise, it's a couple of dollars more. Buy this and just mix it with water, half and half. Water is cheaper at home than it is paying some company to mix some of their water in with it. So you'll actually get 2 gallons out of one of those versus 1 gallon there, and it's about half the cost. So brand doesn't matter, just try to get concentrate if it's something you're doing at home versus something you're doing on the side of the road. Well, that's going to wrap things up here for us today. I hope you enjoyed. Got this little project done, so now that's one less thing I have to worry about. And I hope you learned something. If so, please let me know down below in the comments. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.